Hey guys, I know with the weather, what it's been the last couple of days, and today it's supposed to continue to rain, that it could be really difficult for us to have a synchronous class. And that it could be really frustrating because your internet would be cutting in and out and you wouldn't be able to hear me well. And I didn't want you to have that frustration. So I'm just switching our sync class to asynchronous. So today we're talking about ionic radius. And we talked about atomic radius on Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. So we're switching it just a little to talk about ionic radius. And the difference is that an ion is an atom that has gained or lost electrons. And so this is a definition that you're going to want to write down in your notes. So if you want to pause this for a sec and write down this definition so that it's in your notes, go ahead and do that. Pause me. Now, two types of ions, remember, are cations and anions. So a cation is losing an electron, and so it has a positive charge, while an anion is gaining an electron, so it has a negative charge. Remember, it's backwards because electrons are negative. So for the cation, when you're losing something negative, you become positive. And for the anion, when you're gaining something negative, you become more negative. Okay. So then there's this part down here that's bolded for the cation and anions. So the important part when we're talking about ionic radius is that if it's a cation, it's going to be smaller than the parent atom. And we're going to get to the why in a second. And for an anion, it's larger than a parent atom. And so the parent atom is just meaning a neutral atom. Again, you might want to pause it because you definitely want to have this in your notes. That's why the star's up there. So go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll get into the whys and how this works in just a second.